Hello everyone, today I will show you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. And here's how it's done. First, open settings and go to notifications. Scroll down and find WhatsApp in the list. If you had notifications enabled for the lock screen or notification center, any recent messages would still be visible even if they were deleted from WhatsApp. Simply swipe down from the top left of your screen to check past notifications. If the message isn't in your notifications, you can try restoring it from a backup. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings, bottom right, and select Chats. Tap Chat Backup to see the date and time of your latest backup. If your deleted messages were backup before they were removed, you can restore them by reinstalling WhatsApp. And that's everything you need to know about how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.